How to fix resource pack reload failed in Minecraft. Now there's a multiple factor why this specific error message is occurring or happening on your end. So the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're currently downloading the same version of the pack as well as the same version of the Minecraft that you're running. So say for example, you're running with 1.21.8 resource packs. Now double check what kind of version of resource pack you downloaded and as well as the version that you're running from the Minecraft itself. If you're downloading the same or if you're downloading a different version of resource pack, just simply delete it from the main folder of your Minecraft game and then re-download the resource pack directly from trusted sources. Once downloaded, ensure that all necessary files that needs to be dropped into resource pack folders is completed and all in one place. Those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to check out first or fixed resource pack reload failed in Minecraft.